The airport. Nobody here but us. We just took off.
It's taken off. It's gone.
Mary's on a plane for Cleveland. There she is. We're on the plane. What do you think, Mary?
Viva Las Vegas.
There she is again. I was right. We'll charge it again.
Where we get in the hotel? Yeah, we get you. What do you think, Dan?
I think we're on our way.
Did you get sick? What'd you think of the dinner?
Yeah, it was okay. Here's Mary's puke bag. She told the guy sitting next to her that she was going to puke on him, so he laughed. But that's a good idea. We're going to get, every time we fly, we're going to get a whole row because of her.
I wonder what Tom's doing.
Tom, right now?
Yeah, what do you think Tom's doing?
He's wondering what me and Dino are doing.
Oh.
I don't know what Dean's doing.
You think Dino's at the airport waiting for us?
Not yet.
Not yet?
He'll be there.
Oh.
I'm sure of it.
My money.
There she is.
I'm losing all my money.
She's losing all her money, she says. Are you having a nice time?
Yeah.
Good. Here we are in front of the Imperial Palace. Dino's around somewhere. There's a Mirage down here. Right across the street, Caesar's Palace.
Whatever you're craving, the Imperial Palace features 10 specialty restaurants to satisfy everyone's taste buds. Our fifth-floor dining plaza is
David Copperfield's coming, or is here.
including the Emperor's Steak and Lobster.
We're just going to walk around.
For Cantonese and Mandarin cuisine. The Tea House for seafood specialties. The Pizza Palace for a dollar edition in a charming castle.
Mary, what do you think?
Sushi.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Take
We're on a little tramway.
experience the sense
Yep.
of Canton regions.
Heading up into the Mirage.
Feeling romantic. Travel thousands of miles west to the heart of Europe and stroll down our cobblestone streets to Restaurante Lima, serving the classic regional dishes of Italy. Or if you're in the mood for fine French.
There we are. Yeah. Here we are at the pool area of the Mirage. There's Mary. What do you think, Mary?
I could be laying out here.
Yeah, you could. There's Dino. He's enjoying himself. He's all dressed up today. They're just walking around, taking a look around. A nice tourist. I saw them fighting with some Amish people a few minutes ago. Amish kicked their butt.
Yeah, you could go swim underneath there.
Yeah, you could. We are at the Mirage Dolphin Tank.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Mirage and our dolphin habitat. I'm Charlene, I'll be your tour guide today. We've got some exciting things going on right behind me. What you're watching here is not a show or performance of any kind. This is strictly an interaction session, for the health and well-being of the animals. It keeps them exercised and stimulated and doing something throughout the day. This is Dan, he's one of our care specialists. We have actually 8 such care specialists out here interacting with the dolphins all throughout the day. And he keeps them exercised, as you can see here, a lot of playful activity. Very playful animals. In the wild, they play with pieces of driftwood and other animals and fish and birds. That's called bowing or porpoising. It is a natural behavior. They can actually jump about 25 feet into the air. That's pretty. And other types of reinforcement are a lot of rubbing and petting. Very tactile animals. Touch. And of course fish as well, although the dolphins eat the same amount of fish no matter what they do every day. Each animal consumes about 18 to 30 pounds of fish regardless. We feed them all fresh frozen fish to cut down on parasites and bacteria. Alrighty, once you find a spot where you can see, just stick with it. We are going to move on in just a few minutes. Please everybody look behind you, and if there are kids back there, let those kids up front so they can see. Kids in the front, please.
Here it comes. Oh, you're coming.
Now, if you'd like to take photographs, you're welcome to do so, and you can come back to this area and stay as long as you'd like to for more photographs. Then, I recommend that you not use your flash, because the flash will be rare. You have an automatic flash that's covered up with the However, now,
Yeah! He's pooping!
that's called tail-tick bottlenose dolphin. They are indigenous to the Atlantic Ocean, usually about Florida Keys and Bahamas region. However, none of these animals were taken from the ocean for this habitat. They were brought here from other marine parks. Four came here from parks down in Florida. One came from a park in Texas.
Baby. I feel that it isn't. See?
Okay, follow me down to the right. We'll move into Aqualad, our next viewing area.
Here's the baby dolphins. A few weeks old.
If you've got any questions about the dolphins, or you'd like to visit the area, feel free to do so. I'll be around to answer questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Here we are. We're down at the Mirage Hotel.
You're joking.
There's a banana tree. Big Man's going to climb up there and get us some bananas for breakfast. I told him that bananas don't grow on palm trees, but he doesn't believe me. He's going to climb up there momentarily and get himself a banana. The coconut almost hit him on the head a minute ago. All right, you're on.
Are you enjoying your trip, Mary?
I am. Are you?
Yes, very much. We're having a lovely time here in Las Vegas. About, I'd say probably 74, 75 degrees. About noon. High noon, isn't it? That means it's 3 o'clock back in Michigan.
Yep.
Mary's lost all her money. She's probably lost 20 bucks worth.
$20.
Not doing much gambling.
What got you worse, the casino or the shopping mall?
Shopping mall killed her. At least she had a chance to win at the casino.
Yeah, at least at the casino you win something. But you can't lose because you get to keep the shirt.
Yeah.
Is this the Hoover Dam?
No. That's the backwaters of the Hoover Dam. That's Lake Mead down there. There's Dino over there. He's enjoying the scenic view. We're coming over, dude. That's Lake Mead down there. We're in Boulder City, Nevada. Doing a little sightseeing. We're gonna cross over and have a look. Very nice. I think it's cooler out here than it was in Las Vegas. Nice breeze. I don't know if it's coming off the lake, but there's kind of the homes down there. Everybody's they got some grass, but if they didn't water, don't look like they would have any.
There's the rental car right there.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a Mitsubishi, Mr. Juckett. Sorry to say.
For $10 more a day, I could have got the Detroit-made car. Being from Michigan, I could appreciate that.
Yeah, that's the people that made them Zeros back in World War II. It cost us so many lives, but we'll rent it for $10 to save. I'm not. Big man, forget it. I'm walking now. I'm not riding on Mitsubishi. Traffic information, go to 5:30.
5:30 we're going to. Heading over to Hoover Dam. Dino's at the wheel. He's asleep at the wheel.
Wake me up when we get there, big man.
Okay. Mary's having fun, ain't you, Mary?
Yep. Just kind of closing my eyes. Relax.
There's a riverboat out there.
Yep. Here we are at Hoover Dam. It goes way down there. It's pretty big. There's a riverboat down there. There's the, almost the other side of the dam. Kind of a long traffic. They're working on it, so there's only one lane of traffic crossing it. But that's the Colorado River down there. There's Dino down there. He's sighting out where the best sights are. Here we are downtown. Downtown Las Vegas. This is the old part. Mary's covering my back, I hope. You watching behind me, Mary?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be behind you.
Well, in the city, you never know what's coming up behind you.
Oh, I'm watching.
You got to cover each other's back.
I'll deck them if they do anything.
Okay.
I'll
But
knock them flat
here
on
we
their
are.
butts.
We're going to meet Dino down here. This is where he's staying. So what do you think?
Cool.
Cool? Bad angle. Not too bad. We'll walk up this way, see what's going on. Still moving on towards Dino. Mary wants to cross. Nobody else is, except for that guy. Here we go. There it is. We're down here with Dino now.
Trying to get on the 302?
Yeah, we tried to get on the wrong bus.
I told you there's 2 buses.
Yeah, that guy was he was mean to us.
Bus driver?
Yeah.
Nope. So I got off and I said, Dan, he's not going downtown and he's very friendly.
Well, we're down here with Dino's at. Here comes an ambulance.
2 buses.
I know what you did.
Yeah.
301, 302. You guys almost went to the airport.
Very nice down here.
Dan, get that cowboy.
What cowboy? Oh, I got the cowboy.
You got the cowboy?
I got the cowboy.
They got penny slots down there.
Oh, do they?
Gotta go across the street and get the cowgirl.
Do they really?
No, I think I gotta go across.
Okay, there's another side. That's the girls of Glitter Gulch down there. This is where Dino's staying, the horseshoe. There it is.
There's Dino.
We're going to get the $2 New York steak dinner.
Oh, there's where bingo is?
Yeah, that's where Dino's staying, right there. There's the man over there. He's holding up that building.
Get a zoom-in lens of him for Jeannie to see him.
That's Dino over there.
Where's he going?
Din, 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 din. Here we are again downtown.
And you might add that it's going on a 2:45 here.
Yeah, I said it's going on 2:45 here. As you can see, it's about that 20 minutes to 6 or so in Michigan. We're still up, going strong. Mary's up, going strong is what's amazing. A lot of people out. Just had a $2 steak dinner with Dino, and we're gonna head back. Once again, there's a shot up and down the area. Very nice down here. Here we are in front of the best looking 7-Eleven sign you'll ever see. Okay, now we're down on the strip. It's a little later. Not too much traffic down here now. There's the Flamingo Hilton. Okay, here we are today. We're on our way to Zion National Park. We're in Utah right now. Should be there in a little bit. Dino, he's driving. How's it going, Dino?
Very good. Very good.
Good. Mary, she's in the back. How's it going back there, Mary?
Very tired.
She just woke
She's
up.
tiring.
She just woke up to eat a little bit
Yeah.
because she lost energy to sleep.
Yeah.
And then as
She's
soon as she gets enough energy, she's going to go back to sleep.
Yep, that's Mary for you. She ran out of energy to sleep, so she woke up to eat.
Have a little snack and then take another nap.
It's kind of nice out here. Really reminds me of Cowboy area.
This might be where they might have a movie.
But we're on our way here. We're going to get some shots. Okay, we finally made it to Zion National Park. We're here at the Visitor Center. Just some shots around so far. It's really nice here, looks like.
Dan.
Yo, Mary.
Fine.
Good. You enjoying yourself?
Yep, very much so.
Good.
You take me on such a nice vacation.
I know I do. There she is. Isn't she lovely?
Huh?
Nothing. Well, you can if you want.
Here's Dino.
I think he's in the museum. Or the... Okay, right up in there. Dino points out. There's a natural arch right there in the center. Real nice here. Beautiful day. About 70 or so out. There's Dino. And here's basically over here. Yeah, right there. That's what Mary's seeing at the National Park. She's seeing the payphone. She comes 3,000 miles to see a payphone. What do you think, Dino?
Watch out behind you. People staying behind you.
Oh.
Come back into
Any comment?
Yes, very interesting. Very
Yeah.
interesting. I wish we had a little more time today,
Yeah.
but unfortunately we don't. We had a long stretch of lonesome to cross to get out here.
I say we get out of here.
Yeah, I
Don't
say
you?
we start driving
Yep.
around, don't you? I bet it's, what do you think it's red?
Red?
They get the clay from around here to put in the asphalt?
Could be. Here we're in deep inside Zion now. Well, maybe not deep, but kind of really nice here. It's tree-lined road going through the
And they must have a lot
area.
of water in here to get
Yeah.
all this. It looks like swamp on the side of us.
Now, are these camp houses?
That's where the employees live. You know, the people that work here?
Yeah.
The people that work here.
Well, it's kind of cool.
Go ahead, take a picture or something.
Yeah, go ahead, Mary. Here's just some shots of the canyon.
This one's kind of different looking, isn't it?
Yeah, watch out, big man. They're gonna hurt you. Take a picture of this man.
I don't like getting pictures taken of me either.
Steep cliffs.
Oh. I just climbed those.
Yeah, not really.
I just can't believe this. John.
Come on. Here we are. Just right here is the Great White Throne. Why they call it the Great White Throne, we're not sure. That's what they call it. Nice day down here. What do you think the little man's doing right now?
Changing light and shadow change the mountain's mood and the pictures.
Okay, as you look up here, see if we can get it. Right there's a guy mountain climbing. And he's hanging out for dear life. I'm not sure what he's doing. But he's way out there. Can't hardly see him now. Yeah,
Moving a lot now. See
Dean
him, Mary?
informs me that's not the guy, that's his stuff.
Uh-huh.
Let me see the camcorder.
He's supposedly a little bit higher than
You see
that.
who he is, Mary, or not?
I don't see
I
him.
can't see him.
Okay, let me show you.
But I don't have the eyes
You got
for
his
it.
stuff? The blue and the white?
Okay, let me get it.
I don't know if that's him or
can't
not.
find that crap
But
either.
that's his stuff.
Go up above the tree.
Okay, I'm
Now
on
go up above.
On the rock climber now.
Okay, he's right above it.
That's his stuff right there.
Oh yeah, I see him good with the binoculars.
And
Oh
there
yeah.
he is right there.
Oh
You
yeah.
can see him moving.
He's probably got somebody else up there, you think, with him to help him. Here's the river running through the park. It's called the Virgin River. Dean says he read an article in the newspaper that this Las Vegas wants to tap into this and divert the water down to Las Vegas, but there's
If you were a Michigan State Park Ranger, don't need nothing around here than
not an extremely large amount of water. There's a couple ducks.
Got him smoking.
There they are. Heading upstream. Quack, 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 quack. Really nice here today. Really, really nice. Again. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Well, Mary Beth, what do you think?
Pretty neat.
You like it? Ain't that the best vacation sightseer tour guide you've ever seen?
You are the best. You know how to show a person an excellent time.
Yes, always having fun. It's the main goal.
After this trip, what trip we gonna plan?
I don't know. Another national park.
Dresden, Ohio.
Nah.
Wait. I think if I had to get.
Okay, now we're in the tunnel. Going through Zion Park. Tunnel was built in 1930.
1.1 miles in length.
1.1 miles in length, according to Dean. Mary's nervous back
Oh, we're
there.
almost
She's
out,
getting,
Mary. I
she's
can see
getting
the end of it.
claustrophobic.
I can see the end of it right now.
Dean can see the what?
I can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Thank you, Dean. That's what I was hoping you were going to say.
I want to do this tunnel in reverse.
Okay.
It's not as impressive as I thought, that valley. You don't get a real good shot of it.
No. Some more shots of the park here.
So quiet.
Here, pin that.
Dink.
Oh man, you know what? I screwed up. I'm going to shut that off. And I'll never use it again. And last time I left one in my rental car when I bought it. You know, it's a pass for $25, so you get all the national parks for free.
Okay, we're at Scenic Turnout. There it is, the Zero we've been driving. The Mitsubishi.
I'm not riding it anymore. Too many of our boys died in the big one for me to be riding in that maid.
That's true.
That thing. I don't mind Toyota and Honda. Your dad wouldn't set foot in that car, big man.
Probably not. He'd have paid the $10 extra to get the Crown Vic.
Patriotism doesn't come cheap.
Well, here we are, another day. There's Mary. We're in front of Caesar's Palace. She's going in to do the shopping. It's shopping day. front here. We'll walk down here and check it out. You have a nice day, Mary?
Yep.
Good. Nice trip so far?
Yep.
Huh. Did any shopping?
Not yet.
Okay, we'll get you some. There she is. She's ready to go to Caesar's Palace. What she's been waiting for 4 months is shopping. Got to hit a few malls today, so her vacation's complete. We're going to go on in. She's all decked out in red, white, and blue. Going to ride the sky train, or a little tram up there to the casino. There's a horseman there. So, anyways, here we go.
You know, I wonder if, you know what?
Good job. Now we're going up the sidewalk, the moving sidewalk. Going into the hotel. Here's Mary in Caesar's Palace shop. She's very happy because she's at a mall, even though she can't afford anything. Although we did get quite a bit at Bugs Bunny store. This is the Caesar's Palace.
Getting daytime.
It's getting lighter in here. The sky changes from day to night. Camera's having trouble focusing for some reason. But I guess these statues will start talking after a while and moving around, so we'll hang out here. Go looking around, see what's going on. Waiting for, I guess these are the statues that are going to talk. We're going to wait for that. See what happens. It's about noon here in Vegas. We're going to check this stuff out. watch the pirate show. Hopefully. We're right here. Here's the pirate show goes on right out here. But the waitress just told us that they might clear the bar if it's really windy. And it is kind of windy. So we might end up watching it out there with those folks. I bet you we have to. We're going to try it.
I wonder why they would do that. Because it's so windy.
Well, we got kicked out of the bar up there because of unsafe weather conditions, so we're going to watch the battle out here. We were sitting right up there, just about. But oh well, we'll watch it from here. That ship down there. Well, we didn't see the show. It was called up because of wind. So, we'll try again later. This is what the little bay looks like when you have the pirate battle. Out front on a boardwalk. What do you think? Isn't she lovely? That's the ship that sails down the bay and sinks. Hopefully we'll get to see it. And I guess we're going over to Fashion Show Mall and see what Mary likes to see on a trip inside of a mall.